What type of animal are birds? Answer: birds are feathered, warm-blooded, beautiful, and colorful animals. Next question: where do birds live? Birds live in their homes called nest. Which is the which body part help bird obtain their food? They use their beak to catch and eat the food and also to feed their young one. Next question: name any two carnivorous and scratching birds. Carnivorous bird: eagle and vulture. A scratching bird: hen and peacock. Next question: give an example each for wading bird and perching bird. Wading bird: crane, herons and egrets. Perching bird: pigeon, crow, sparrow. How do wings and tail help the bird? The wings help them to fly and the tail helps them to change the direction while flying. Next question: what material do birds use to make their nest? Answer: the bird build their nest using weeds, dry leaves, grass, paper, cloth piece, threads, wood, mud, feather, wing, and cotton, etc. Draw a typical bird and label its body part. So यहाँ एक चिड़िया का पिक्चर ड्रा किया गया है। इसमें लेमिनेशन किया गया है। बीक, हेड, आई, फेदर, लेग्स, क्लॉ। इसका आंसर है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। एरियल बर्ड, इसका डिफिनीशन क्या है? बर्ड दैट स्पेंड द मेजर ऑफ देयर लाइफ इन फ्लाइट। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है डाउन फेदर्स, स्मूथ fluffy feathers that keep the bird's body warm. Flight feather, the long feather on wing and air that help to fly. Next, body feather, feather that cover and give shape to the bird's body. Flightless bird, birds that cannot fly. Webbed feet, type of feet that have skin between toes. Warm-blooded, animal with constant body temperature. Cold-blooded, animals change their body temperature. Some important points about birds. Birds are flying animals. Birds live in different habitats like land, in or near water, on the trees, and, and in the air. Birds have two eyes, a beak, a pair of wings, and pair of legs with claw and toes. The bird's body is covered with feathers. They have body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers. Birds eat the food and feed their young ones with the help of their beaks. Birds use their feet to walk, run, climb, perch, swing, and hunt. Birds live in nests. Birds build nests to protect themselves and their young ones. Birds lay their eggs and protect them by sitting on them till the eggs develop into young ones. This is called incubation. Birds are warm-blooded animals belong to the class Aves. Hen ostrich are called terrestrial birds. Swan, pelicans, and seagulls are called water birds or aquatic birds. Birds have boat-shaped bodies that help them fly. Body feathers cover the body and give shape. Birds don't have external ears. Birds have a small hole in the beak to help in breathing. Birds, the flight muscles and wings help the birds in their flight. Some birds can not fly and are called flightless birds. Birds don't have teeth. Thank you for watching and really like, share and subscribe my channel.